Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm showing you how to get this everyday look, but this is like the it girl look, which if you have TikTok, there's been like the it girl aesthetic, but I feel like this is a perfect everyday look for the it girl. You know, you add some accessories that you like. I didn't really do that, but imagine I had like some really cool accessories and like this is just like my everyday look. Now I will say the it girl aesthetic or all of these kind of trending things, they're just trends, and no makeup look and no nothing is gonna create this aesthetic. You shouldn't really strive to be exactly like an aesthetic. You should just be yourself and be confident in that, and I think that part of the it girl thing is that confidence sense. But this is a trend, so I decided to do a look on it, and I will be doing a kind of going out it girl look because I feel like that's like gonna be really fun. It's gonna be really fun. If you want to see how I got this, then please keep watching. Also, I do want to say I'm sorry I haven't been filming very much. There's been a couple of transitions in my life and I don't know, I think I was just processing everything, and hopefully soon I'll be back on track, and I'm excited for Halloween season, so stay tuned for that. And yes, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting out with a clean, fresh face, and I'm going to go ahead and put on my sunscreen because I am going out of my house with this it girl makeup. Now that that is on and blended in, which by the way, if you are struggling with acne and oily skin, my dermatologist recommended this one for me, so far so good. It's been working great. So yesterday I went and I bought this Dior Backstage face and body foundation. I don't know if this is my color because I'm like 50 shades of different colors on my body, but we're gonna make it work. I'm just gonna take a beauty blender and blend it in. That's actually such a beautiful foundation. It's not super full coverage. As you can see, you can still kind of see my spots, but it makes my skin look very like naturally, like wow, I woke up this way. Also, let me know if you guys like this background. I just didn't feel like bringing down my backdrop, and like I decorated this area for Halloween and fall time, so I was like, why not show it off a little bit proud of it. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and powder. So I have this Revolution luxury baking powder, and I'm gonna bake a little bit with it. This is actually such a beautiful finish of a foundation. It looks like just skin texture, like a thicker layer under my eyes. I am gonna do just a little bit of baking. Obviously you can do whatever works for you. I'm gonna put some on my chin, and then with a little brush I'm gonna take some. I took a little bit too much, and I'm just gonna pack it on the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows with this Maybelline brow thing. It's not the best, but it's what I have right here. I honestly have been so out of it lately, and I don't know why, but I'm really happy. Like, I feel good to be sitting down and filming again because it's been so long. So I'm very thankful for this. Let me know about any Halloween looks you guys want to see me do, because that's my favorite time of year, all the Halloween looks. So just let me know. I would love to do literally every single Halloween look you guys recommend. I'm gonna actually go in with blush already. I'm using this Kat Von D blush, and I'm just going to put it right there. It never blends good on this cheek, my blush. I don't understand why. It didn't blend good there either. I don't know why. Maybe it's this brush I'm using. I'm gonna go with a different blush from this Juvia's Place palette. I'm gonna use the shade B. Okay, my blush is not working for me right now, but I think it looks okay. It looks passable. So now we're gonna go ahead and start in on the eyes. I'm gonna go in with a bit of this shade. Normally I actually love keeping like my discoloration on my eyes, but we're gonna kind of go over that with this shade from the Francation palette by Dose of Colors, Desi X Katie, one of my favorite palettes. And I'm just gonna pack this and blend it in all over my eyes to kind of cover that discoloration, but not completely. Just kind of minimize it a bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here, and I'm gonna blend this into the crease just a tad bit, and then I'm gonna just bring it up just a little bit. It doesn't really add that much, but I'm gonna use like this tiny little packer brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna create almost like a little like wing. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go in with this darker shade right here. And this part, concentrate. I'm gonna bring a little, just like, I'm going to dab it in the inner corner, just like that. Just like all I did was press it down. Same thing on this side. Dab it. And that is it. And then whatever's left, I'm gonna add on that outer corner for a little bit more definition. And honestly, for an everyday it girl look, I think that that's all you need. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the blush I used from the Juvia's Place palette, the shade B. And I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line and connect it to that little wing. For the lashes, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer first. I'm in Miami, so there's like so much rain and like thunderstorms this time of the year, and I think it's gonna thunderstorm in like an hour or so. So the lighting will just change whenever it wants. Okay, so that is done. Now we're just gonna work on the lips a tad bit. Lip stains have been very in, so I do have that lip stain that I used. This is just from Amazon, and I actually added like food coloring in here to make it my own shade. So it's like a little bit reddish, but like orangey-ish. I added yellow, and I even added blue to make it, I don't know, like a neutral tone. I don't know. And then I did kind of the same thing with this e.l.f. one. It's, I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the middle of my lips, just like that. And then I'm gonna go with the little applicator and put it around. It's kind of like a peachy brown situation. So every it girl, hot girl, clean girl, whatever girl or guy you want to be, should be using SPF. All my subscribers, you guys should be using SPF. So I got this Supergoop Resetting 100% Mineral Powder foundation thing. So now we are protected and the makeup is done. I might add a little eye drops because my eyes look really, really red. But now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair. Okay, so my hair is done being straightened, but I have like weird bang situation going on, so it doesn't look the best, but it's fine. It's not a big deal. I like my hair better now than it was before. So that's all that matters. I'm going to go ahead and go in with a little bit of lip liner and some lip gloss because my lips are looking a little, I don't know what they're looking, but I'm not loving it. So I have the LA lip liner in the shade Sugar and Spice, and I'm just gonna line my lips just a little. And then on the inside, I'm gonna go with my lip tint. Stain my teeth. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go with the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Plumper. And I think that that is it. This is definitely such a beautiful everyday look. It's a little bit more glam, but we're going for the it girl vibe than what I would do. Everyday makeup for me is just like some concealer and that's it. But I think it's super pretty and it accentuates your features. So yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.